Hey everyone, we're going to talk a bit more about files. Now, files can be a little tricky to just understand quickly. I mean, maybe not so tricky. This is where you're going to do all your designing, but using the resources available in the course is basically one of those things that are really going to help you be successful at the end of the course. So I'm going to talk about how to use those files and just how to access them. So you can see here, if you've accessed a link that was given to you by the course, this is what will happen. You'll be pushed right into this link and you'll see, oh, ask to edit. Don't click that. That's just not what you're going to do here. The easiest way to actually get here and get this file is to go and click this little arrow. We're going to duplicate that file. We're going to click the arrow and we're going to duplicate the file to our drafts. And just like that, a new tab is made, a new file is made. And if we go back, we can see that this is the new file. It's our recents. This is still one that is the original. This is my file that I'm sharing with everyone. And now you can use this file as well. So this layer is locked, I believe, but you can go ahead and move it around and start editing this actual file. So that's how you're going to duplicate files. If you've downloaded the resources or if you have another file that you want to bring in here, you're going to click the import file. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the Figma file like that, bring it right in, and it has been imported. And we can click it and it's going to open up that new tab. And here you'll be able to edit it as well. So that is how you bring in files. You can duplicate them, import them. If you want to create new design files, all you have to do is just click this new design file right here, this big button. So you click that, it's going to open up a new file and it's going to bring you right inside. And here you can click whether you want to name it something. So I have my new design file, and now you are on the canvas. This is the canvas area. And that is how you basically use design files in Figma.